Welcome back to SMKR. This is your host Steve. Up next is another Arma Hobby 1/72 scale model kit review. This is kit number 70005 and this is the PZL P.7A Deluxe set. And you can see this is a Polish reconnaissance fighter aircraft from World War II. And lots of marking decal options are provided for this. You can see we have a total of 8. I'm really digging these kits, and that's why I just keep getting them and reviewing them for you. They are fantastic. Now, Arma Hobby did come out with a 1/48 scale of this, and it's a very nice kit in itself also. So let me open this up. I haven't opened it up yet. And we'll look inside the box, do a review the SMKR way. And that's what that looks like there. The Deluxe set includes photo etched brass and resin accessories, along with the plastic and such. So give me a second to take these out and I'll be right back. And you can see here, got a bag full of parts. I'll look at those here in a second. Let's look at the instructions. And once again, it's a book style instruction with staples on the end. Color instructions, it's in English and in Polish. These are made in Poland, obviously. And once again, I like how they do this. They put the decals in with the instruction sheet to protect them. And we'll just go through this real quick. I'll give you a close-up this towards the end of the video. And of course, all the marking options, there's tons of them. There you go there. Next, we have 2 sprue trees with parts. And it looks like they give us 2 kits here. That's a surprise. I didn't think I would be getting 2 kits. Let's get a close-up of the tree. Both trees are identical. And you can see here's the top side of the tree. And here's the back side. Let's get a close-up view. As you can see here, some very fine raised detail and recessed detail here. The sprue attachments are going to need a little bit of cleanup because they are located right there on the outer surfaces. That's how that looks there. Very detailed. Very nice. Engine details, very fine. Wheels, tires, engine cowlings. Very fine parts here for the exhaust. Fuselage half. Horizontal stabilizer. The other fuselage half. Vertical stabilizer and rudder. Pilot seat. Top of the wing. Very fine recessed panel lining. Ailerons, trim tabs. Very fine details there. horizontal stabilizer, elevators, bottom of the horizontal stabilizer, interior detailing, again the interior detailing on the other side, instrument panel, engine details, two bags with the clear parts. Both are the same. We'll look at one of them. Clear parts for the windscreen. Two of them there. Depending on what model you build, they do differ. Acetate printing for the windshield and the instrument panels. They do give us photo etch windshield frame, and of course there's two of those. Two masks are included. Very nice. Two photo etch are included also. And you can see the windshield frame, some of the engine detail, some very fine brass pieces there, and some resin wheels and tires. Very nice. Have a nice flat bulge on the bottom, and the brake caliper details. And decals are covered. They were inserted in the instruction sheet, which is very nice. Markings for 8 different aircraft, of course. Here's a close-up of the instruction sheet, both in English and Polish. History of the aircraft. What's included with the kit. And the colors. And of course, getting 2 kits was a complete surprise to me with this version. And we start assembling the interior, cockpit, instrument panels. Start installing parts on the wing. Engine cowlings. There's a lot going on here. Very fine details. I'm very impressed with this. For 1/72nd, they give us a lot here. Very nice there. Put the fuselage halves together there. Add our exhaust pipes to the engine and details to it. Very nice. Assemble the wings. Add them to the fuselage. Landing gear. Wing struts, propellers, canopy wheels, painting for the first aircraft, painting for the second aircraft. Of course, decal placement also. Third aircraft. 4th aircraft. 5th aircraft. 6th aircraft. 7th aircraft. 8th aircraft. And that's it. I'll be right back. And that was definitely a what's in the box review for the Arma Hobby PZL P.7A Deluxe set, as I was very surprised that it contains 2 plastic kits, and it tells me that right there. Decals, masks, photo etch, brass, and resin accessories, all in 1/72 scale. Kit number 70005. If you have this kit and you've already built it, put down in the comments you did so. If you like these kits or you don't like them, let me know in the comments. I'd really like to hear from you. And what reviews would you like to see in the future? I do have the Hurricane 1/48 scale on its way, so you'll be getting a review of that here real soon. So if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel. Smash that like button. It gets the algorithms out there. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.